Hello, hello. All right, we are live. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another stream. Hopefully, you guys can hear me all good. We're just chilling in the coffee shop in Phuket. So hopefully the Wi-Fi is all good. If it's a little bit laggy, you guys can let me know. Alien, what's going on, man? Good to have you on stream. We got joining. What's going on? What's going on? You've got a huge head. Thank you, Ollie. Yeah, why am I so zoomed in? Goldie. All right, let me start Zoom. Let's get Zoom going. All right. Where are we going? Let me a few more people join. Morning, audio and video. Good. Thank you, Valentina, man. Good to hear. I'm just in a little coffee shop. So we're getting all set up. Cool. Yo, Antonio, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the stream. Make sure YouTube guys drop a little like for the stream. I'll let a couple more people join, and I'll start sharing my screen. I'll let everyone else know we're in. For the ones on YouTube, if it cuts out, I'll have to reconnect to internet and then reconnect. So it may cut out, but I'll be back on. All right, who's on Zoom? Who's here? W's. Mark with the W's in the chat already. How's Thailand? Yeah, Thailand's good, thank you, man. It's good. Weather's really good. We've been eating well, living well. We took a nice 20 pip short on gold yesterday. Played out in like 5 minutes, which was beautiful. Ever trade divergence? No, I never trade divergence, man. Never. All right. YouTube guy gets to 10 likes and I'll start sharing my screen. Jack here, we're chatting on Instagram. The guy's going to follow your course. Nice to have you on the stream, Jack. Hopefully you enjoyed today's stream. Get a little insight into what we do. So we do the live streams every day like this. So it'll give you a good insight into what to expect, man. All right, who we got on Zoom? All the boys here. Oh, that looks well clean on there.
Yeah. It's full brightness. Nice and bright.
Yeah, it's clean. I like that.
I lost my pen. I had the pen.
Ah.
I just watched
this. All right, nice one. 10 likes, guys. Let me start sharing my screen. Where are we at? All right, you guys should be able to hear me now. Apologies, I've just literally been explaining that Thai thing and no one can hear me. Let me make sure Zoom can hear me. All right, cool. No audio, right? Sorry guys, let me run over that gold again for the guys on YouTube who didn't have audio. Still connected to my mic back home. So pretty much gold on the daily is, just stuck in this big range. We had this support, we've broken back above it, so maybe we come up to resistance. We're consolidating around this 2000 level, which is huge on gold. So that's why they're currently seeing a lot of indecisiveness on gold. But from today's perspective, I either want gold to come up and grab yesterday's high or grab yesterday's low. So pretty much, as of right now, until we are stuck in this range, I'm not actually going to do anything, because this current range on gold is only 26 pips, which is not enough. And even up to here, it's only 26 pips as well. But if we can get a strong breakout here, then up into these highs, we got 40. Or if we can get a break to support, which I prefer, I'll be shorting it down here for 100 pips. So that's kind of the place today on gold. I was just showing the positions to me, and Mark took a sell today in Asia on gold here, which hit 13 pips and then got us a break even. We were looking at it to have a much bigger run down, so it wasn't worth securing, but it was great management because it then ripped up higher and started to range, and then ended up coming down to our TP at 30, 40 pips. But great management. And then me and the boys yesterday in Thailand took a 25 pip short yesterday on gold in the US session. So around 23, literally just momentum trade back down into these lows, liquidated these lows, took partials here, and then the rest keeps running higher. So great management for the week so far. I think we've taken one break even, one win, and another break even so far this week. And then last week we had some really good plays. I had some good plays on Thursday, 2 wins on Thursday. We had a break even on Wednesday stream, and then we had a win on Tuesday, and then a break even on Monday. So haven't had a loss on gold in the past 2-3 weeks, which is very nice. So hopefully today we can get some good volume. Absolutely. Gold has been great the past few weeks, considering how rangy the daily is. Gold has been really good recently for scalping anyway. But yeah. Yeah, literally. Where was the plays we had yesterday? So this is the longs we had in London, and we hit almost 10 pips there. We look at this to come up higher, so that was almost 10 pips in 5 minutes. And then our US sesh was, this literally flicked down 20 pips in more a minute, 2 minutes max. Yeah. Yeah. I know, it's true. Should you be taking partials on every trade so there's no downside on the trade, then go break even, or specifically in situations? It depends on the play, man. Depends. I always take partials. I like to take partials maybe around 15, 20 pips depending on the price action, but it's not something you have to do. It depends on what you're doing. If you're just, intrading and scalping, and you're going for 25, 30 pips, then if it gives you the good amount, then yeah, amazing. Take some partials. But sometimes, this one today, I hit 14, 15 pips. I didn't take any partials because the 5 minute was looking so good. So after that huge bearish 5 minute close, if I had just taken partials there, it wouldn't really have made much sense. I would have kicked myself if it keeps running lower. But think about it, if I hit around 15, 20 like this yesterday, 20 took some good partials there, then it reversed, then it's great management. So yeah, taking partials is good, but only when it's around levels where the trade can go against you. So just understanding it from that neutral perspective. If you're in shorts and price comes into support and you do nothing, then that's just trying to predict too much. Yeah, how is GJ looking? How did GJ close on the daily? Bearish, very very bearish. Without grabbing any daily lows just yet. It's a 4 hour. Oh yeah, 4 hours nice. The 4 hour could come maybe back up to, let's see, where's about 165? 165. Let's pull this up a bit. Yeah, 165 is a lovely level. If GJ can push up that little bit more. Boom, short it into that liquidity. How's it looking? A little double top right now. What tips would you have? Goldie. What time is it there, Brian? It is 1:15 here. 1:15 in the afternoon, 7 a.m. London time. And what is it? It must be around 4 p.m. Brisbane time when I'm usually on. Let me just get this up. Long on gold if Asia lows are swept. Yeah, possibly. I mean, it's where's Asia lows? Down here? Maybe. I don't really want to trade it in this range because now you can already start to see how this range is reacting. You get these big, nice, strong bullish closures, bearish closures, doji. So anywhere in these ranges, you can expect that you're going to get a lot of manipulation and low volume. So I personally wouldn't want to do anything until if we can break up, amazing, boom, I'll take it to the highs for like 50 pips. Or if we can break down and retest, I want to short it down into these levels, which would be a much bigger play. But as it sits in this range, we just have to wait a little bit more because we can see how much we're flipping. If we look at it in the 5 minute, we're ripping up, ripping lower, ripping back up. So let's see. Where's it? Someone just asked. Just new to Australia and having some issues with time zones. What time do you find is best for you? I actually just made an entire video recently on my schedule, trading and living in Australia. So let me send that in here. And I share all my pairs, the sessions that I trade. Because people think, living in Australia, you have to stay up to like 2, 3 a.m. But honestly, Australia has amazing time zones. I start trading when I'm in Brisbane at like 4 p.m. until like 6 p.m. and then I'll start trading maybe a little bit of US if I don't get a London move at like maybe 8:30. But if I get a move in London, then I don't care about US. So Australia is great because you can enjoy your day and then come back in the evening. You've still got London and US. Let me just close this. Views on GU. I don't really intraday trade it. We can take a look. Let's have a look. How did that daily close? Oh man. Daily's as bad as gold. Let me just put that level back on. So you got little support there. Little support there. Little resistance there. Nothing. GG I think could flip lower. This daily's currently created a top wick. So if later on you can flip down, you can probably get a drive into the lows, which would be 40, come down into these day lows, 60. But it is very very rangy. I personally wouldn't do much, but it's in a level where you could potentially look for shorts if you do like to trade it. There's guys watching me trying to take my signals. They're trying to see my charts. But yeah, let's have a look at EJ actually. That's a that's a great question. Everyone on YouTube, Mark's asking if you're liking the stream so we can get some volume. Drop a little like and we'll get some good gold volume. But yeah, let's have a look at EJ. EJ and GJ had beautiful runs yesterday. I was actually looking to short EJ yesterday around this. GJ. I had a alert set. There's it here at this big left shoulder head, this right shoulder. But then after that 15 closed that bullish, I was like, well, I'm not going to short that. And then the 15 flip bearish, and then just ran. So we had some big yen moves yesterday. So EJ on the daily had a beautiful bearish close. Liquidated some highs back here. We created a double top previous day, wicked out all that liquidity, and then smashed all the way back down. So, yeah, I think EJ potentially today you could be shortened down into these levels for 150 pips. I do think GJ's a little nicer today though, because on the daily we haven't grabbed any lows just yet, and we have a lot of liquidity sitting down here on GJ. If you look at this on the 4 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadruple bottom potentially short to for around 100, 150 pips, which could be very, very nice. Yeah, it's really clean. 1665 is nice. Absolutely. Yeah, we do. This one. Yeah. Let's get these levels down a bit better. Boom. Boom. Look at this on gold. Do you need to pay Thailand tax as well as in Oz? I don't do my tax either. My tax is done back home in the UK. Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, no, I do. I don't even do my tax in Australia. It's kept back home. Yeah. Yeah, it's not. It's not. It's not hard. They don't mind.
Just retired as our mate.
What trips 24/7? Yeah, absolutely. These are all expenses. Do you trade USD Swiss franc? Yeah, I used to trade it. I'll sometimes swing trade it. I don't day trade it, but sometimes for swinging, it's actually it's a pair that moves very, very nice. It's a great pair to start with because it moves pretty clean. And when you can get the big drops, oh man, they can be huge. It's a really, really good pair to start with to learn from. But yeah, I like it. I've never day traded it, but I do like it. Oh, that looks nice, Mark. EU longs. Nice. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. Let me see us on the 15. Yeah, I like that, man. That's clean. That's nice. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Gold on the foot. YouTube guys, got 30 people viewing. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. Get that algo pumping. Hopefully we'll get some good trades today. We've had a great start to the week. So I think today's going to be a good day. Yeah, me too. Oh, let's see. GJ. Oh, yeah, EJ looks much nicer than GJ. Yeah, I like that. Novice question: how much money AUD equivalent are you making on any given average day? I'm struggling to understand how much people have invested. Honestly, it depends on 6 million a day. Depends. It's just a percentage game, man. So it all depends on how much percent you're making. You know, like yesterday was like 0.5% on that scalp. So if you have like a 100K funded account, that's 500 USD yesterday in like 5 minutes. So it's all relative to what account size you have as a percentage game. That's all it is. It's a percentage game. So yeah, I agree. And like just like if you can make consistent percent, then it's like, man, you can literally relate that to any account size. Like the access we all have. Like Jack, I think you said you were new to day trading. There's like companies like FTMO and my Forex funds that if you can prove that you're a good trader, they will fund you, so you don't have to risk your own money. So one you can check out is FTMO, and there's my Forex funds. These people will fund you like up to 400K. So if you can make 5-10% a month, it's like 40,000 US dollars a month. So once you get that consistency, there is unlimited access to capital these days. Literally unlimited. Novice question, how much to it? Nice. We trade USD Swiss franc during US session. You can trade in both. It's Swiss franc, so it'll move in London and US. Have you looked into Pat Bologna funding program? No, I haven't, man. I follow him on Instagram, but I've not heard about his funding firm. I'm not sure what it's like or what the restrictions are. I think he said it was application only process or something like that. But no, I've not looked into it. I'll be interested to see what it is like though. See how people find it. GJ, yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I can't get the guys on YouTube to hear you. So it's just the guys in Zoom that can hear you guys. Yeah. because usually it picks it up through my mic because it's coming out of my laptop. So I can just see in the Zoom guys can hear. But it's still good though. Yeah, yeah. Well, oh yeah, yeah. It is, yeah. It's delayed, yeah. Ooh. EU's having a lovely push mark. To, you're gonna enjoy coaching me. It'll be a big journey. Excited for it, man. Yeah, of course, Jack. Welcome to join anytime, man. Anytime. Great to have you in. It's like I say, there's no stupid questions with us, anything like that. You can ask away. We've all been there. Oh, that 30 on gold was nice. How many pips would this be to run up high if we can grab some lows? Oh, gold could have a nice little flip here. What would stops be? If you take a flip here, stops would be probably have to be here, 18 pips up into these highs. You're looking at 30 potential. Yeah, 30 minutes really nice. 15. Yeah, 15 was really nice as well. I wouldn't want stops below the 30. Sorry, man, go on. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, it is. That's my concern in here. I just like that it's got like up into these ranges like 15 to up here 30, but it is a bit noisy. If I was going to be in it, that was probably going to be it. I think you've just costed me some. Thanks, man. Thanks. No, yeah. Kind of wanted to get in there. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of wanted to get in that flip. I couldn't load it up in time. That was a valid one. 15 and 30 closed bullish. 5 minute came down to create that bottom wick. If I was in this, I'd probably be break even now. What we just hit 10 pips. Yeah, I'd have stops to break even. I couldn't load up my fucking MT4 quicker. I know. By the beach, living the dream. Absolutely. What was that? We won't tell. Keep it our secret. See, look at that. That's why, yeah, literally like what you said, Kane. Look how strong that was looking, and then straight back down because that noise to the left. See, I would be out this at break even now. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that's the thing. That's why, like, when it gets into these noisy ranges, you like literally have to be so careful because the 5 minute can look so good, then it just comes straight back down because it's just pure noise in that level. So yeah, spreads would have got me a break even there for sure, and now I'd be out break even. So you, yeah, you saved me there, Kane. I would have taken some spread losses there. What's going on here? Is Mark taking profit? How many pips did you catch, Mark? What risk to reward did you get? Did you get a nice one? Ah, that's very nice. Did you take this one? Was it that one, or did you get further down? 1009. Oh, 89. Wait, 98. 989. Yeah. Yeah. There, yeah. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, lovely. Just hit what? 1 to 2 wrist reward. Just like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, what's this? Mark just made bank. Oh, mate, he's treating himself to a massage. He says, after this, I'm getting a Thai massage. I don't know what that means. Yeah, GG's having a good push. Oh, yeah. That EU on the hourly mark is banging. Did you hold a partial? Yeah, solid, man. Solid. Did you keep partials? Good man. Good man. Yeah, very nice, man. Very nice. Yeah. Pushing. Pushing. That's a big push. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. That's a nice push. Pump the likes. Ash, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on. But yeah, I think still gold at the open still gives us some volume. I'm just taking 20, 30 pips on gold today. I just want to see some more volume. Give some breakouts as that hourly starting to form. Not much. Not much. Not much. Yeah. How's Thailand? Yeah, it's good, man. Thailand's good, Ash. Living the dream. We're just in a little coffee shop. Well, it's good, man. It's good. It's much more touristy compared to when I came last time. It's so much busier now, but it's nice. It'd be nice if we can make some bank this morning as well. Make some London bank. Switching over my. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, it's a nice runner. Real nice. Switching over my sleeping schedule to stay up all night for London session is tough, man. I'm half asleep right now, but gotta get used to it. Yeah, Antonio, it's good. It's up to like What time is it there? What time is it in New York? 2:40, 23. Sometimes even by now, like if you're in US and you can jump on the charts at like 5:30 London time, you can get some great pre-London moves. Honestly, you can get some great pre-London volume. So sometimes, if you catch a pre-London move, you're already done for the day. So you just, kind of got to adapt to it in that sense a little bit sometimes. Um, in Phuket, yeah, Ash, we're in Phuket, man. We're here in Phuket till Friday. And then Friday we're going to the PP Islands for the weekend, and then that next week we're spending the weekend Koh Samui, and then back to Bangkok for a couple of days, and then I'm doing it all over again from Texas. So it's 1:40. Oh, that's not too bad. Obviously it's late, but it's not like if you were in New York, it's like you an hour ahead, so it's like 20 to 3 in New York right now. Lewis is joining. Make that bank and come out to Thailand. Ash, we stayed in Rawai. I stayed there last time, as you told me that area. So we're in Patong at the minute because these guys want to go shopping and stuff. But we're staying in Rawai. It's really nice, man. It's nice and out the way. I like it. It's more chilled there. Riyadh, yeah, Thailand's good, thank you, man. Thailand's good. We're living the dream. Living the dream. Weather's good. We're like 2 minutes from the beach now. So after this London session, make some bank. We're going to go do some shopping and then go chill down the beach. Go for a little swim. Go to Laguana. Let's see. Lois is in the building. Laguana. Yeah, only because I'm on YouTube. And I can't do both because I don't have my other screen. And then it goes all weird. If you want to see me, you can watch my face on YouTube though. If you really want. Look at this. Um, it's the spot for the evening. Nice. I'll get it up. Nice. So whereabouts is that from us? Ash has got a place for us to check out in Roy, apparently. You may have heard of it. It's called, where is it? Laguana? Laguana? Have you heard of it? It says in Rawai. Ash said it's the place to be. It's quite near us, actually. It's like a big open bar kind of thing. It's pretty sweet. You're saying, oh, I'm saying it wrong. Lag on Lagana. Oh, I was saying Laguana, yeah. Lagana. There we go. Um, look at gold. Holy on gold's real nice. Who? Oh, look at the 30 on gold. 30 on gold's real nice. My connection is unstable. Yeah. did you say, sorry, Lewis? We made bank in US session. We went out on the Monday for like Allah's birthday at the night time. So yesterday we just actually kind of chilled, swam, made bank in US, and yeah, that was it really, man. Chilled. Goldie. Slowing down. We adjust this on gold to that here. Gold throwing these wicks to the high is not making me want to long just yet. Not yet. It's creeping up though. Creeping up. We're going to roll over. We're going to break and go higher. Targeting. Yeah, I'd like to play up into 2004. Like, you know, play up into there's 30, up into there you got like 40. Yeah. Did you guys all meet through FWA? Yeah, everyone here is everyone from the community. So we've all flown out from different places, and I've hired that villa for us on the weekend in Phuket. So, yeah, that's how we all met, through trading, the community, and now we're all doing it live in person. I've been trying to make this happen before all the COVID time, so it's good to actually have everyone together, trading together, and living the travel trader life. Every year, yeah, we're gonna make it a yearly thing for sure. Different places, or maybe come back to Thailand. I don't know. Thailand's the place to be. But yeah, I'm gonna do a trading retreat every year. Yeah. Yeah, it's fun, man. Oh, yeah, that's a move. That's a banger move. Oh, yeah, 15 pips. That's like a 1 to 4. That's banging position. Yeah, I haven't been. It looks nice. Yeah, that'd be sick. Yeah, EU is booming. CJ, stalling. Strong on the 30. But yeah, I'm waiting for gold. YouTube guys, feel free to ask over any, trading questions you want me to answer whilst we wait for gold. Happy to answer any of you guys' questions. Yeah, it does. It actually does. I find it does. Yeah. Yeah. How do you determine specific key points for a trade? Do you mean, Antonio, do you mean like confluences? Do you mean like confluences and reasons behind it? The kind of the whole ideology behind the majority of my trades is pretty much liquidity grabs and, you know, breaks and retest support and resistance into that liquidity. And, you know, price grab in highs and lows before the real move, retail traps, liquidity grabs and retail traps is probably my biggest thing. So like on gold, for example, um, on the daily, you know, key points right here right now is playing gold into the previous daily lows or daily highs. Um, so yeah, I'm like, you know, I'm looking for gold to, you know, liquidate the highs or liquidate the lows before then I'm looking for that real move. So I'm pretty much playing it into that. You know, I'll show you this trade that we took yesterday. This quick little scalp on gold that we took yesterday. We had grabbed some highs and I was looking for it to come down and grab these lows. So we liquidated the highs. So I was like, okay, cool. Next, come down, liquidate the lows. We took 25 pips in literally like 5 minutes. All of our trades that we've taken, we had some great EJ positions last month. Where was it? All liquidity plays, just, you know, price taking out highs or lows before having the real move. When was that one? That was on. Where's a good example? We took that trade on Monday. That was a break even there. Where's some other ones? You know, here was a huge move right here. You know, price had liquidated these highs, so as soon as price had grabbed this retail trap, and you know, wherever retails are looking to short with stops above, I'm looking for price to grab retail stop loss before then having that real move. So yeah, main combo is literally retail traps and liquidity grabs into daily lows and highs, and you know, scalping between 20, 30, and sometimes runner into 40 pips. And what to use to journal your trades? Well, now it's pretty much just in the community, but previously to journal them, I'd use Trello. I'd built a Trello board at one time, but you can put it into a spreadsheet where it does all your formulas for you as well. Or there's another website called, which is really good, Edgewonk. It's paid, but it's supposed to be very, very good. But if you just want a basic one, just go on Trello and just start to create yourself a board and, you know, put in your screenshots, put in the reasons behind the trade, and yeah, journal as much as you can. But for me now, the Discord and community is pretty much my journal. I share every single trade in there, win, loss, break even, every single one, so I can always look back and find trades for like the past 3 years. What's gold doing? Gold's not doing anything, eh? Oh, GJ. Yeah. GJ on the let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Where is it? Let me see. I see hourly. Yeah, hourly's pumping. Because the bearish close on yesterday on EJ was pretty solid. So I'm wondering today if we're, you know, retesting some levels before rolling over. It's had a pretty strong push up this morning. We'll probably be watching this little support here. See how we react around here to potentially take it into the lows. Is there any way to catch this up this morning? No, not really. You could have argued that there could have been an entry there, but it didn't even really create a bottom wick, and we just pushed. But now that EJ is in that support here, it's going to be interesting to see if it's going to give us a potential pullback to either drop lower or just to, you know, pull back 30, 40 pips before then potentially going higher. Did you take that long, Alan? No. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Let's see. 5. How's the 5? Yeah. Yeah. Straight back down. Yeah. 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 No, Mark's trade is absolutely booming. That was a nice push. Really nice push. Um, yeah, definitely. No. Yeah, you need to come up to us like, guys, I'm putting in, like what we did. Guys, I'm putting in the buy stop now. And we would have taken it. Hey? An AU long. Ooh. Let's have a look. USD CAD's finally finished its last high. Ooh, take a look. Take a look. What time frame are you on the 4 hour? Let's delete all this. It's at a nice level, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, still could. A little bit more. Oh, what, this one? This one. Yeah. Yeah, which would be nice, yeah. I'll pull back to there. Nice level. USD CAD 15. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah. Are you looking, Matt, to take this down lower? Like a pullback? How's the hourly looking? Lower, yeah, nice. Yeah, it's a nice level there. Delete these. It's a nice level. Yeah, come and retrace some of this, and you could see, you know, come and retest some levels all the way down there on the daily. It's quite strong though. That I think we may grab yesterday's high. If we're going to pull all the way back down here, I think we're going to grab yesterday's high one more time. But for a little intraday play, yeah, you could get it nice to play back down into these levels maybe. How many people have turned up for the meet? Here right now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of us chilling, making that bank. 6 of us, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. Mm. Yeah, absolutely. You'd be flying back first class in no time. Yeah, not flying back. Yeah. Alan's moving in with you, Ron. Alan's moving in with you. How much is the usual cost for going to Thailand and chilling there for a while? Oh, it's not much, man. It's not much. Like in terms of like eating out, you're talking like maybe £4 or £5 for a meal or something like that. And then the villa this week, I paid for the villa for us this week, so everyone's just staying in the same villa as me. And then PP Islands on the weekend, then Koh Samui the next week. So it's not much, man. It's not much. You could comfortably live in Thailand on what, like $2,000 a month max. Yeah, two comfortably. Yeah, easy.
Have a two-bed villa. It cost me like 3,000. That's
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, yes, well, it's £350. Yeah, Ron, who lives in Phuket, was saying he had an apartment with a gym, pool, everything for like £350 a month. So you can live in Thailand for super cheap, and the whole lifestyle and everything is amazing here. Oh yeah, let me see. Oh, was it? No. Thailand might be the move for me in my first travel. Yeah, Antonio, absolutely, you should. It's amazing out here, man. You can look at Airbnbs and see. How's it going, George? Nice. Fucking well, nice. Uh, yeah, Portugal's amazing. Yeah, yeah. Portugal's probably one of my favorite European places I've been to, honestly. Yes, it is cheap. Cheap, good weather. It's amazing. Goldie. I want a nice. I want a nice push on gold. It's not doing much just yet. Want some volume on Goldie. How's the 4 hour looking? Doji, doji, doji. You looking at anything on NASDAQ today? Ooh, that's a very big gap yesterday. That. It's big. Um, yeah, Mark had a big EU play today. Booming. I don't really trade this pair much, but that was a great move. Big, big move. I think gold's still got some time though. Do we have any? Is there? I think there's USD news later on, isn't there? Let me see. Forex factory. No, there's not. Tomorrow, sorry, tomorrow. Yeah, GDP tomorrow. Unemployment claims tomorrow. GJ good for shorts maybe. It's coming into a nice level. Which one did? Sorry, on the 30. GJ. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, nice. I like that, man. Yesterday's close was solid as well. So if we're either going to range or we're going to continue this yesterday momentum back down. So we're pushing up quite strong. So the hourly is coming into a big level where you could potentially start to see it pull back a little bit. All of this could give it a little pullback. So in order to short GJ, what do I need to short? Let's have a look. Kind of bring this little level here now. Yeah, pretty much, man. I need like a pretty strong close. I need a strong bearish close. Yeah, I think so, man. How's it look on the 5? 5, yeah. 5 just grabbed some more lows. Could push up a little bit more. Goldie, yeah. Goldie has got no volume so far this morning. We just had that London Open as well. YouTube guys, drop a little like to the stream. See if we get to 30 likes and hopefully take a trade before the day ends. As soon as we get some strong volume candles on gold, I want to look to take a position. Just need a nice strong closure. Show us there's going to be some volume and we can take a trade. Yeah, we'll probably be trading a bit US today as well. The US was quite nice yesterday. At like, so through about 5 p.m. 5:30, 6, 2 p.m. man. So it's, what, 8 a.m. in London. Yeah, Thailand has amazing times, man. Some of the best. Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, being able to trade now at like 2 p.m. is nice. You know, being done in like an hour and then enjoying the beach and then coming back again for a little bit US. Yeah, yeah. I still, sorry, stay out. Yeah, see what happens. Yeah, see how we go. I think I might call it a night, man. Barely awake. Yeah, Antonio, there's nothing huge jumping out yet, man. So I'll be. Oh, I don't know if I'll be on Friday because we're traveling to PP. I don't know if I'll make it on in time. But yeah, it's probably worth jumping off anyway. So it's good to have you on the stream, Antonio. If not Friday, we'll be on next week for sure. But it's good to have you on the stream, man. It's great having you on. We'll see. I'll probably stay on for another 30 minutes to an hour. See what it's saying. If we get some volume, amazing. If not, we'll come back to US. But I still think we get some volume. What's that? I was going to wait till like another. Oh no, yeah, no, I'll wait a little bit, yeah. Yeah, London's just started, yeah. Gold, yeah, it's Ranger, man. I wouldn't touch it at any of these levels. I just want a nice breakout to the highs so I can ride it up to here or down to the lows. Yeah. If we can break to the lows, I'll short it all the way down into here. Or if we can break up and then boom. Yeah, it's not doing anything just yet. S&P getting set up well with DXY dumping. Oh, nice. Let's have a look. Yeah. Hmm? Yeah. Hey, a nice big W on your birthday as well. We had a nice US session play. You in Phuket? Yeah, man, we're here. We're here in Phuket. Here in Phuket until Friday, and then we're going to PB and Koh Samui. Yeah, Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Hourly on gold is crazy. Yes, you do. Who are you kidding?
They've got a qualification massage.
No, hell no.
That's their wage.
It's crazy. It's mental.
That's their work.
Yeah,
That's why they sit there.
that's crazy. Ooh, gold's gonna get some nice volume now. This is what we want.
That's why they do the upgrade.
2 more minutes till this 15's gonna close. We get a nice 15 close to this support. Can consider it taking it down. No, I want a nice strong 15 bearish candle. Are you getting a drink, Alice? Is he getting a drink? No. Did you? Hey, is there an emoji? No. Thanks, man. Thank you. I'm gonna get a little smoothie or something. Hey, thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. What do we want? Oh, 22 seconds until it's gonna close. How's this hourly looking? Strong. 30 doji. 15 needs a nice strong bearish close. No, not yet. Not yet. 28 likes. YouTube guys, get us 2 more likes, and gold will give us that bank. We'll make some bank on gold. Yeah, I like it. It helps gives the markets volume. It does. Absolutely. Nice. Oh. Huh? Can I get? No. What do I want? What do I want? Can I get the mango passion fruit, please? You want one? 2, please. Thank you. 3? Where are you, bro? I'm in Phuket, man. We're in Phuket. We're in Phuket till Friday. And I'm gonna trade for like another 45 minutes, see what it's saying, and if nothing, we'll probably come back to US. Would be nice. Yeah, that could be nice. That's like EN and EA. They used to be nice. I think on the daily they were messy for ages. Was it? Yeah, it is. So like EA. That's fine. Let's see. Oh yeah, weeklies booming, rocketed. Would have loved to join you, but I'm in Chiang Mai. Ah man, gutted. I was in Chiang Mai last time, but yeah, we didn't get a chance to come up to Chiang Mai this time, unfortunately. Yeah, I was in Chiang Mai last year. 15 gold. Mark's trying to turn you into a scalper. 32 likes. Look at that. All right, come on, gold. Give us some volume. Yeah, absolutely. Wonder because this. Yeah, previous hourly on gold was strong. Like if this could be a bottom wick and we could start to flip up bullish, I still think we can get a nice, run up into here, 50 pips. Yeah. Yeah, very. It's still pushing. EJ. Yeah, EJ's still pushing. Yeah, wow. That's crazy. Yeah, still pushing. If it breaks this resistance, you can see. I'd then consider longing up into maybe like here, which would be. Yeah, that's nice, man. I like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. That would be around 40, 50 pips. Yes, please. Nothing. Hey? What? Yeah. I know. How's gold moving? If gold can start to flip bullish from this 15, I still think there's potential longs with the hourly flipping bullish. If this, on who's it? Whose mic's it full on echoing through? Yeah, that's right. Is it? That's right, man. Yeah, if you get a nice strong 5 close on gold, I would like to long up into the highs. Just basically anticipating that the hourly is going to still flip bullish because, you know, hourly still, broken this level. We just retested. So if we can flip up bullish and break these highs, I still think we get just a really quick drive, break it this high. There you go, hourly just start to flip bullish. Is that 5 butts close? Yeah, this 5 could be nice. I'm going to look for some longs on gold in a second. I'm going to adjust this little level to here. Yeah, this is looking good. Yeah. 20 pips up into there. Stops would be around 20. How long we got? We've got 4 more minutes. I'm going to control this up on MD4 just so I don't miss it, just in case. Stops would be down here around 1996.5. Because this hourly is flipping bullish really well now. And that could be a lovely wick continuation up to highs. But I need that 5-minute closure. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, that's booming. Yeah, that's a crazy move. Yeah, as soon as it closes, if that next 5 minute can quickly come down, then I'll put like a little buy stop in here and I'll just have a stop here around 20 pips up into these highs for like 35. But this 5 minute has to close above. I need a nice strong closure and then a little push down and then flip back up. Boom. But if it closes like this and closes back in this little range, I'm not interested. It has to give me a nice close. It's looking like we're going to get some nice volume. I need that closure. Oh, we got 2 more minutes. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute split back below this level. Yeah, as soon as that 5 minute closes, if we can break that resistance, amazing. But if we close like this and we just stay in this zone, no sir. This. Yeah, it's got potential. It's got potential. It's not done yet. That 1 minute just closed. Oh. I'm having a little look. I'm just having a little browse, alright? Oh, look at that. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. And then we got your 8 more seconds for this 5 minutes to close. If it closes like this, I'm not interested. Needs to give me a nice body, otherwise you could just be grabbing these highs to potentially go lower. Oh, nice. You're on mute, yeah. You can, yeah. I saw that them big plays yesterday. You trading fixed lots as well? Yeah, good. Yeah, 5%'s fucking all good. What GU at 2452? GU. What GU at 2452? 2452. Nice. Yeah, nice. Fake out. Right back above. Break of them highs. Very nice. Very, very nice. As this is the last 5 of the 30, so this 5 on gold is going to be key. What was that 30? Mm-hmm. Yeah. When? I wish. 1995. Fuck. 2000. Wow.
Planes were going to fall out the sky.
Oh.
Everyone was scared. Like, a couple of
That's so crazy.
22 days.
That's mad. That's so crazy. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's what Mark just said. That's why we don't enter until we get that closure above. Gold didn't close above that resistance, now pushing back down. So that's the reason we don't jump the gun. We wait for them closures. We don't get the closure, then we don't take the trade. What? Oh, are you older than Alan? Fuck you. Well, you look at the. I no, that was nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. That's crazy. That's 30's going to close. Oh, 30 on gold is looking like a good flip. Broken, just retested, grabbed this previous 30-minute low. I mean, if this 5-minute breaks above this level in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to look for longs on gold. Because this 30 is looking real nice. I just need that closure. Stops would be below. Maybe down here. What, 20 pips would be down here? 30 is looking really nice. Yeah, I like that 30. What are you looking at for gold now? Yes, still longs. I still want to long gold up into these highs. That 30 close bullish after grabbing all of these lows. We had that bullish candle again. This current 30 has just grabbed this previous 30 low. So it's a really nice liquidity grab, but I just need to see that 5-minute close above this level. 5-minute close above this level, amazing. Then I'll be looking for it for a nice 40, 60 pip drive up into them highs. But I have to wait for it to close above. If it just booms now, I don't care. I need it to close above my level. Because if you don't wait for that closure, then you're just going to try to predict that gold's going to go higher. Whereas I'm just going to react to gold when it comes higher, when it does. So eliminate all the predicting, just react to what we're seeing. We're reacting to gold trading below this resistance. As soon as we get this closure, that's the confirmation. Amazing, then we can take it. So even if it booms now, I don't care. I have to wait for gold to close above. Sticking to the plan and eliminate all predicting. We have to react. But yeah, 30 is looking real nice. Here's the hourly. Still think by the time this hourly closes, we've got the potential to rip up. So I'm still getting ready. I'm not in this, by the way, if anyone's watching this. Oh. Okay, yeah, I know. So just come down. Look at that gold. Mm-hmm. Yeah, boat to PP and then PP to then Koh Samui. So we need to book the boat to PP. What about the selling plan? Selling plan on gold. Again, probably wait until we get a closure below here. But then, once we break back into here, it does kind of get messy in here. But yeah, it's having a nice push now. But the previous hourly was that strong that I can't go against it until the hourly flips bearish. So shorts get a bit tricky. Because this 30 has grabbed these lows and had a nice push up. So if I was going to short gold, I do want to short it down to these lows, but I would probably wait for a closure below this support, be a bit more patient, and then I could easily take it down to here and down to here. I still think then you got this level all the way down here. So it's a much bigger range if you can wait for the break of this, take it all the way down here for potential 100 pips. So there's 15. Because look at the 15 here. Even if this 15 does close bearish, the previous 15 has just gone bullish, doji, bearish, bullish, and then could go back bearish. How many pips is this range? But let's just see. Let's just see how the 5-minute closes. Because how big is this range? Is this range worth playing? How many pips is this? 25. Not really. We got 30 down there. If I'm playing gold in a range, the minimum I'll take has to be a 30 pip range. 30 pip range minimum. So you could actually argue that it is kind of like a 30 pip range. So it may be worth it, but it does get tricky. Oh yeah, it's having a nice big push now. 4 hours. Did 4 hour grab any highs? No, not yet. Look at that. 4 hours grabbed no previous 4 hour highs just yet either. So I can't go against it just yet. If the hourly does, break this, short it into there. GU move nice. Yeah, I don't really trade GU. Mark got a nice move on EU. But yeah, GJ did the break of that. Boom. This is the move that Mark caught. Oh, look at that. Are you still holding runners, Mark? Oh, beautiful. 40. That's almost like a 1 to 9 risk to reward. Banger. Yeah, so it literally just hit like a 1 to 9 risk to reward. That's fucking huge, man. Great trade. Very good trade. I didn't get the signal, but I will still I'll give a little bit of credit. I can't give full credit because I didn't get the signal, but had that 5 just close. Oh. Who's that? You know whose signal? No, 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 no. On yesterday in the cafe, or the one last night. Mm. Yeah. Well, see, I know. Sir, self-stopping? Not yet. Not yet. No. I would wait for it to break the not the current five, but the previous five like this. I know. That's my concern. 15, you know, is looking. It took 10 more minutes to 15, but if this five doesn't flip bearish and the next five can grab the previous high and then flip bearish, then amazing. It's in Discord, use this. You're taking it. It's not a bad place to be fair. You're taking it. Hey? Oh no, no, don't let me talk you out of it. Hey, if you wouldn't take it, I'm saying, personally, I think it's a very retail trade. No, it looks nice. The 5 minute look makes sense. So you would have been in. You would have been in there. Stop there. Yeah, you would have been in. Playing it down. See, I would have been in here. Mm. Yeah. I'm just waiting for the 15. As soon as that 15 closes, I'm going to consider it. Not sure. Mm. Yeah. Cut my loss early on S&P. We have an inverse correlation DXY indices not playing up today. Is it the same as US100? Yeah, kind of similar. It's kind of stuck. You know, looking like we're going to break out now, but that's not closed yet. So just wait for that closure, and then you can get the volume. If it finally breaks this support, then you could look to take it down. But can't really do anything until it closes. The Goldie. Sorry, I'm not in gold just yet, man. I'm waiting for the 15. But even still, I'm not. I'm very skeptical of touching it in this range. I'd rather wait for it to break this support here to then take it all the way back down to here. Hmm. Yeah, grab these guys here nicely. My only concern is going against that previous candle here. Is this is looking really strong. So I mean, it's going to flip back bearish. You kind of just need to be careful and wait for that confirmation. So I would consider taking it early, but I need at least a 15 closure. Either like this now, if I can get a good risk reward, or ideally, I want it to break this support. Because as soon as we come into this level, if we break this, then amazing, then we'll have a nice drive down into like down here. But anywhere in this range is pretty messy. When you zoom out and actually look at it, it's like it's not actually doing much. So, yeah, I just saw your chart. Yeah, Ash will be proud. You know, Alan looking at the DAX. Oh, very nice. Yeah, very nice. And he was that. Oh, yeah. Oh, DAX. Yeah, DAX with the push. DAX with the push. Just see how this 15 is going to close. As soon as we get a nice 15 close on gold, I'm going to consider. Excuse me. 42 people in the building. Good to have you guys here on YouTube. Nothing taken just yet, but I'm looking for some positions on Goldie. But today, so far, we're almost back down to exactly where we started the session. Let's get this 5 minutes going to close on gold. This is the last 5 minutes of the 15, so if this 5 closes bullish, then 15 is going to be leaving a wick. So you kind of want this current 5 to this one to close bearish, and then the next few ones to come up, and then you can take it back down. Bias on gold is bearish now. No, nothing really, to be honest. It's still in no man's land where it honestly could go either way. But if it does, if the 15 closes below this support, then you can maybe take it for a little retest and take it down lower to maybe this support. That's just like a simple, we've respected resistance, we've grabbed the highs, broken support, come back up, test its resistance, and then go lower. But still, in this range, it's still very messy to me. And look how this 15 is starting to leave this wick. So if this current 5 doesn't close bearish, then I'm not interested because that's going to be leaving that 15-minute wick. So in order for me to want to have a short bias, this current 5 has to be bearish. Otherwise, I'm just going to continue the range. Thai stream, didn't see. Rami, good to have you on the stream, man. Hope it's been great. Yeah, it's been good, thank you, man. It's been good. A good start. Look at that. That last 5 of the 15 on gold just closed bullish, and now we're leaving that bottom wick. So, we have broken support, but also we're at another level right here as well. So it's very messy. And if we had taken the original entry that I was looking at here, like this, we'd just be messing around. So no, there's honestly nothing yet for me on gold. Do you consider the DXY before taking a setup and making a bias? No, not really. I don't really need to look at the DXY to know what gold's going to do. It doesn't personally make a difference for me. I used to look at the DXY all the time, but then I was like, it doesn't actually do anything. I don't know, like if you look at the DXY and you see that it's looking bullish, I can already see how the DXY is looking by looking at gold or looking at EU. DXY is literally almost like exactly the same to just an inverse version of EU. So even if you just want to analyze EU, it's basically the exact same. But no, DXY, looking at that, it's just like another thing to look at that doesn't actually really do that much for me. Yeah, analysis paralysis, just too much. I just don't find it benefits me. You can already see you already know how the US dollar is forming just by looking at gold or EU. They don't actually correlate that much. No, it's not. No. Thanks to the stream, man. No problem, man. Glad you enjoy it. Glad you enjoy it. What do you think of GJ shorts? Let's have a look. How's that owlie starting to form? Oh no, it's my internet gone. No, where's my internet? GJ shorts, no, not yet. Not yet. I think GJ can still spike up a little bit more, grab some hourly highs, grab this previous hourly high, and then you might see a pullback to here. But no, not just yet. Not yet. Look at the DAX. You've seen it. You've seen the DAX. DAX on the hourly. No, Alet has it. Absolutely. No, still, it's good just to draw it on. Yeah, it does, yeah. It moves big. Hmm? Hmm. Yeah, it moves very big. I've not tested it much, so we're just kind of just testing it a little bit and just kind of watching it in the background. But it's moving pretty well. That was a lovely little liquidity grab of all these highs. That bearish close there, amazing. You could have been short, and as soon as we break that 5 minute low, stops above this 5, boom, playing it into the support, holding a runner now. Yeah. Sorry? Yeah, huge. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, even taking that first one. All right, man. Enjoy, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you soon. How's Thailand? Yeah, Thailand's good, thank you, man. Thailand's good, Adam. Been living the dream. We've taken a few trades already this week. Actually, we took a nice we took a nice W yesterday. We took a break even this morning in the Asian session. I traded the Asian session with the boys. We took a break even on yesterday at lunch. Just had a real life fan. You want a picture, bro? Are you guys playing golf? We're going to try to. It's so hot during the day that it's hard to play golf during the day, but we want to try and play at some point, yeah. Look at that on golds now. See, this is the reason I didn't jump in gold shorts. Look at that. Look at gold. Just dropped. Not joking. Look at gold on 30. Yeah, would have been break even. Yeah, that's the reason I didn't jump in. Straight back up. Yeah. But yeah, YouTube guys, I'm going to wrap up here. London's not really given any volume today. We've been on for like 2 hours. Nothing crazy jumped out. I'm probably going to jump back on for US. There's no point sitting in watching. Pretty much plan of action today. You know, if we can break up, amazing. Play gold up into these highs up here, or if you get that breakdown below, amazing. I'll be playing gold down into support. So that's pretty much, the plan. We got the levels now. So I'm not really going to do anything until then. So I'll let you guys go on YouTube. Appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Remember, take a look at all of the other travel trading videos as well, if you guys want to check out the channel. And next stream will be maybe on Friday if I can, but we're traveling to PB, so I'm not sure if I'll make it in time. But if we can, and I'm set up, I'll definitely stream on Friday. But I'll let you guys know on my Instagram as well. But yeah, appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace, peace.